In our previous sessions, we explored various lookup functions in Excel. And now we are going to dive deeper into the world of advanced lookups with the powerful combination of index and match. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. But yes, before we delve into the practical applications of index and match, let us understand why they are the go-to choice for advanced lookups in Excel. So index and match, well, they offer unparalleled flexibility, allowing us to perform vertical and horizontal lookups, two-way lookups, left lookups, case-sensitive lookups, and even lookups based on multiple criteria. Unlike VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, index and match are not limited to searching in the first column or row of a table. They provide more precise control over your data retrieval process. Now let us explore the index function in detail. Index retrieves the value of a cell in a table based on its column and row numbers. Imagine we have a data set with product names in column A and the corresponding prices in column B. Suppose we want to find the price of a specific product. Here is how we can use index to achieve that. We start with the index function, which begins with this. We then specify the range we want to search. In this case, the price column. Next, we mention the row number that we want, which could be a fixed value or determined dynamically using other functions or formulas. Finally, we close the formula with a closing parenthesis and then press enter. In our example, the formula on the screen returns the price of the product at the fourth row, which is body lotion. As you can see, index allows us to retrieve values based on their position in a range. Now, let us understand the match function. Match is used to search for a specific item in a range of cells and return its relative position. Let us consider the same data set of products and prices. Let's say we want to find the position of a particular product. So here is how we can use match to accomplish that. We begin the match function with this. Then we specify the lookup value that we are interested in finding, which could be a fixed value or a reference to a cell containing the value that we want to match. Next, we mention the lookup array, which is the range where we want to search for the lookup value. Finally, we close the formula with a closing parenthesis and then we press enter. In our example, this formula returns the position of the product skin gel, which is the sixth row. Match allows us to quickly find the relative position of a value within a range. Now that we have a good understanding of index and match individually, let us combine them to perform some advanced lookups. We will demonstrate how to achieve the same functionality as VLOOKUP using the index and match combination. To get the price of skin gel, we will use index and match together. First, we will start with the index function to specify the range that we want to search, which is the price column. Then, using the match function, we will dynamically determine the row number where skin gel is located. Let us see how it works. In our example, the formula on screen retrieves the price of skin gel. By combining index and match, we can perform a lookup based on any column and thus retrieve the corresponding values accurately. Now that we have a solid understanding of index and match, let us explore some real-world examples and applications to showcase their power and versatility. Example 1. Dynamic data retrieval. Imagine we have a large data set with product information, including names, prices, quantities, and categories. We want to create a dynamic summary where we can select a product category from a drop-down list, and the corresponding product names, prices, and quantities will be automatically populated. By using INDEXandMATCH, we can build a formula that retrieves the desired data based on the selected category. The match function helps us find the position of the selected category in the category column. And then index fetches the corresponding data from the respective columns. This dynamic setup allows us to easily analyze different product categories without manual data manipulation. Example 2. Two-way lookup. Suppose we have a sales data table with product names in the rows and regions in the columns, and we want to perform a two-way lookup to get the sales figures based on a specific product and region. Here is how we can achieve that using INDEXandMATCH. By combining INDEXandMATCH with multiple criteria, we can perform advanced two-way lookups. This allows us to analyze specific product sales across different regions or vice versa, providing valuable insights into our data. And there you have it. We have explored the power of INDEXandMATCH in Excel, witnessing their flexibility and precision in performing some advanced lookups. These functions have really become the preferred choice for data analysts and professionals worldwide due to their versatility and efficiency. I hope this session has shed some light on the capabilities of INDEXandMATCH and how they can be utilized to enhance our data analysis and lookup processes in Excel. Also, please remember, by embracing these functions, we can unleash the full potential of Excel. In the next lesson, we will delve into the world of pivot tables and discover their ability to summarize and analyze vast amounts of data with ease. Until then, keep exploring and enjoying your Excel journey.